Hi, I'm April with WTI.
If you love a boho design as much as I do, then this pillowcase by KOOLIFE is for you. I am absolutely in love with these beautiful Boho Chenille Tufted couch pillow throw covers. These pillowcases are very accurate to online and very well crafted, with a high quality canvas material for the backing. I appreciate that the zipper is a hidden zipper and that it's placed in the middle for easy pillow insert, and that it has a super cute little heart-shaped pull charm. This size is a true 18 by 18 and it fits that size pillow perfectly. I truly enjoy the different textures and earth tones that complement the green color I chose, along with these gorgeously soft feathers. This was the perfect addition to my living room, and I'm so very pleased. If you want to add amazing color, texture, and comfort to your room, try KOOLIFE.
And that's my point of view.